Hello everyone, my name is Purna Sri Kamala Tamilarasan and my metric card number is 01DDT22F1157. So today I am going to do the presentation for our problem-based task. Okay, in this presentation I will be present about calculation of subnetting and configuration of wireless network setting and the verification of connectivity. So before that, let me explain the question. The question says, as a recently hired network technician, your network manager has asked you to demonstrate your ability to configure KFD Sendirian Berhad network. So now my task is configure basic device, initial setting to routers and switches, then subnet the IP address, then perform IP address assignment to router, interfaces and end devices, configure wireless network settings and test the end-to-end connectivity. So now let me just show you the calculation of IP address. So we will start it from the IP first. The IP given is 223.145.74.0/24. So we need to identify which has the most needed hoster and we are going to start from that. Okay, from the question also we know that each LAN need a number of host. So first the Gopeng LAN, it need 270 hosts, and next is Tambur LAN, the second highest is 120 hosts, and the third is AP Bercham, it needs 40 hosts, and fourth is Bercham LAN, it localized the file server, database server and design server, and the fifth one is one LAN, one link. It just connect KFD Gopeng, KFD Bercham, and KFD Tambur. Okay, first let me show you the calculation of Gopeng LAN, which need 270 hosts. So for this LAN, I have choose 2 power of 9 because 2 power of 8 doesn't meet our requirement. So I choose 2 power of 9, which is 512. We are going to minus 2, which is network and broadcast. So the usable host will be 510. So for 510 hosts, we get the subnet mask, which is 1111.1111.1111.1111.1110.000000000. So for subnet for Gopeng LAN is 255.255.254.0. Prefix length for Gopeng LAN is /23, and number of subnet we are going to 2 power of the number of number of ones. So the one is 7, so we are going to 2 power of 7, and the number of subnet is 128, and the range is 2 for Gopeng LAN. Tambur LAN, for Tambur LAN we need 120 hosts, so I just choose the 2 power of 7, which is 128. So we also minus 2 from that and we get 126 hosts. Tambur LAN's subnet mask is 111.111.111.111.111.1000000, which is 255.255.255.128. Prefix length for Tambur LAN is /25. So to calculate the number of subnet, we are going to take the number of 1. Here we got only one, so 2 power of 1 is 2 subnets, and the range will be 2 power of 7, which is 127. So our next LAN is AP Barcham. It needs 40 hoses. So I am going to take 2 power of 8, which is equals to 64 hosts, and I minus 2 hosts from that. So we will get usable hosts equals to 62. And the subnet mask for AP Barcham is 111.111.111.111.111 111.11000000, which is 255.255.255.192, and the prefix line for AP Barcham is /26, and the number of subnet is equals to 2 power of 2, and it's equals to 4 subnets, and the range is 2 power of 8, which is 64. So now let me show you the calculation for our Barcham LAN. It needs only 3 hosts, so I choose 2 power of 3, which equals to 8 hosts, and we minus 2, it will be 6 usable hosts. The subnet mask for Barcham LAN is 111.1111111.1111111.111110000, which is 255.255.255.248. Prefix LAN for Barcham LAN is equals to /29, and number of subnet is equals to 2 power of 5, which is equals to 32, and the range is 2 power of 3, which is equals to 8. Lastly, the calculation for one link. It needs 2 hosts, so I just choose 2 power of 2, which is equals to 4 hosts, and we minus 2, we will get 2 usable hosts. So subnet mask for one link is equals to 111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111.111. 192.168.255.252. Its prefix length will be /13 and number of subnet will be 2 power of 6, which is equals to 64 subnets, and range will be 2 power of 2, which is equals to 4 subnets. 4. So this is the addressing table that I fill in with the calculation of the subnetting that I do just now. Okay, we have done our calculation of subnet. Now I'm going to explain the question 2, configuration of wireless network setting. For wireless network, we have a access point which is called AR Bircham. We need to set up based on information such as SSID equals to AP Bircham, and authentication will be web with password 0987654321, and our 2.4 gigahertz channel will be 6, and our coverage range will be 150 meters, and encryption type is 40/64 bits. So let me show you in a video. So now I'm going to explain the configuration of wireless network. For that, let me show you how I assign the IP for laptop 0 until laptop 3. First, I will show you the laptop 0. Okay, now you can see here we have config, and here we can see the display name, and here is the wireless, and we can see the default gateway and all. So here I'm going to click the desktop and click the IP configuration. So now here we can see the interface, which is wireless 0, and IP configuration, it has the static, and we have the 223.145.76.138, which is laptop 0's IP4, and our subnet is 255.255.255.192, and the default gateway will be 223.145.76.129, and here the IPv6 address is automatic, so this is the address. Now let me show you the second laptop, which is laptop 1, and in this we can see the same thing. Like config, we have the laptop display name and the interface, which is wireless 0, same as laptop 1, and we are going to open the IP config to see the IP address of laptop 1. The IP address for laptop 1 is 223.145.76.143, and the subnet will be 255.255.255.192, and the default gateway will be 223.145.76.143, and the IPv6 address will be in automatic, and this is the address for laptop 1. Other than that, we are going to look the laptop 2. We also have the same thing to configure the IP address. Here we are going to click the IP configuration, and we are going to choose the static, and we are going to put the IP address as 223.145.76.148, and the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.192, and the default gateway will be 223.145.76.129, and the IPv6 will be automatic, and this is the address for IPv6. Now our last laptop will be laptop 3. As same thing we are going to do, we will click the IP configuration, we'll click the IP configuration, and we'll see the configuration for laptop 3, which is IPv4 address will be 223.145.76.153, and the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.192, and the default gateway will be 223.145.76.129, and the IPv6 will be automatic, and this is the address for laptop 3. That's all for connectivity, and now I'm going to show the access point connection, which is wireless connection with the laptop 0, 1, 2, 3 to the access point, which is called AR Bercham. In AR Bercham, I'm going to do some configuration, which is I will click config and go to port 1, and now we are going to set this SSID as AP Bercham, and the 2.4 GHz channel we'll choose the 6, and then we are going to coverage range meter will be 150, and we are going to choose the VEP and put the web key like this, and we are going to choose the 40/64 bits, and that's all for configuration AP Bercham. Now we are going to check the connectivity to laptop 0 and AR Bercham. So we are going to click the laptop 0 and go to the PC wireless connection. And now we can see here the connection. So I'm going to click connect, and now we are going to refresh to see the ARP Bercham access point signal, and here is the signal which is 45%. So I'm going to click connect, and I'll put the password which is 0987654321, and I'll click connect. Now we can see the adapter is active now, so the link information will be connected. We are successfully connected to the access point, and we have the signal strength which is full, and link quality is the full. Now I'm going to do this thing for each and every laptop here, which is laptop 1 again. So I'm going to do the same process, such as choose PC wireless. So when I click it, I will go to the I'll click the connect, and I will choose the signal name, which is AP Bercham. It has 50% signal, so I'm going to click connect, and here I'm going to put the password again, which is 9098765431, and I'll click connect. So here it is successfully connect, and we have signal strength which is full, and link quality which is full also. Third, we will choose the second laptop, and we are going to carry out the same step, which is click the PC wireless and click connect. And here I'm going to refresh, and we'll see the AP Bercham network name here, which has 55% signal, and I'm going to click connect and put the password, which is 9098765431, and I'm going to click connect. And now we have successfully connected. We have the full length and link quality. Last, we will do the same thing for the laptop 3. We are going to choose the PC wireless again. Laptop 3, and we'll click the PC wireless. Okay, now I will click the connect, and we'll choose the network name, which is AP Bercham, which has 100% signal, and I'll click connect, and I'll put the password here. Then I'll click connect again. Now we can see here it has successfully connected to the access point. It has the full signal and link quality. Okay, now I'm going to explain the last question, which is test the end-to-end connectivity, verify connectivity between the end devices. And so I'm going to test the connectivity using ping from one device to another device to see whether there is a connection between both devices. So I'm going to start from device PC1. So I'll click PC1. In PC1, I will choose the configuration, IP configuration, and I will copy the IPv4 for the PC1. Then I'll click the PC0 and try to ping from PC0 to PC1 and check the connectivity between PC0 and PC1. Here I'm going to type ping and paste the IP we copied just now and enter. So now you can see the reply the PC1 is replying to PC0, and we know that we have sent for packet and received for packet, so no loss. If no loss means there is a connection between PC0 and PC1. Secondly, I'm going to do this same action to PC2 with PC0, so we can know there is a connection or not. So for PC2 also, I'm going to go to IP configuration and copy the PC2's IPv4. Then I'm going back to PC0 and command prompt. Here I type again the ping and paste the address we just copied just now, and we enter. So we can see that PC2 also replying for PC0 ping. Here we send for packet and we receive for packet, so no loss. It means the connections are there are connection between PC0 and PC2, which are end devices. To know the connectivity between all end devices, we have to ping from PC0 until this laptop 3. So if we ping and we have no loss and the devices are replying, it means there is a connectivity between the end to end. That's all from me. Thank you.